as I'm following to sample demo or sample website, so I make a combination following these two website or demo header section. Okay, and before make header, first I have to create the menus. To create a menu, I'm going to my dashboard and add some pages. Click on the pages and I see there are already few pages automatically created or generated by activating the plugin Master.io for learning management. And now I'm going to add more pages for my website, for example home, about, contract, blog. So just click on the add new, page title, home, click on the publish, go back or dashboard, then create a new page, contact, click on the publish, back to the dashboard again, add another page, name, blog, publish, and for about I'm going to just change the sample page title, about, click on the update. We are done. We have created our pages. Now I'm going to create a menu, so click on the menus under the appearance, click on the create a new menu, add menu name main menu, and click on the create menu button, and from here I'm going to add menu items. So my menu items is home, about, blog, contract, and I also like to add courses. Okay, then click on the add to menu, looks good. Click on the select main menu and click on the save menu. We have done, we have created our menu. Now going to create our header. So click on the header footer menu under the elements kit button. Just finish basic settings or configuration of this plugin, as we have just installed this plugin. Click on the next, click on the next, next step. Congratulations, we have done. Save change. Okay, now we can create our header footer. So click header and footer again and click on the add new under the template name header, type header, condition enter website, activate yes or on, click on the save change. Now going to click on the edit, click on the edit content. Okay, so now I'm going to click on the plus icon to add a new section and select structure from here. So I'm going to select this structure and here I am going to add the logo. So just add image and upload and logo from here. I like this logo too much, just change the name of this logo. So click on the save as image and I will show you how you can design your logo from online without any cost. Upload logo, insert logo, looks good. Then add menu, so just search menu and select element kit nav menu and drag and drop it here. Select main menu, position center, then we are going to add a button right here and make this column position in middle and button text start today. And now I'm going to customize this button, pastel large or medium, change the background color, also change the typography, uppercase. Okay, looks more professional right now. And increase the menu button size, menu nav, perfect, and click on the update button. Okay, we have done our header section. Now I'm going to design the footer section. So go to the dashboard, add new template. So now I'm going to add the footer title, add title here. So title name is footer, click on the publish, edit with Elementor, and going to follow the footer from here or from the reference website. So here very simple footer section. I also keep this as simple as possible. Add a new section, select section structure. Okay, so now going to add copyright text and make it center. Also add the text or column in the middle. Okay, and add a background color and change the text color, and we can also add phone number and social media icon. So going to add my phone number and social media icon, make it center and add social media icon. Social icon looks good. Add a separator or divider right here, add divider color with 50%. Okay, then click on the update. So we have done our header and footer. Now we are going to start work on the home page.